In this presentation, we are going to subscribe to some other people's Google calendars. We'll assume that you've already created your Google account and you've created your calendar, and now you're ready to start adding other people's calendars to your calendar and subscribe to others. So I've found a calendar that I think I want to add to my own calendar. This is Ms. Heller's freshman English class. So I want to go ahead and click the Google Calendar icon down at the bottom right. And it's going to prompt me to log into my own account. And immediately it's going to ask me if I want to add this calendar to my existing Google Calendar or if I want to not bother with it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add this calendar. And you'll note that other calendars is noted down at the bottom, and we've got our freshman English calendar here along with my own calendar. I can choose at this time to display only this calendar, or I can keep defaulting back to my own calendar. So it makes it real nice to go between the others. Now if I want to add this, let's say I want to subscribe to this calendar. I don't want to necessarily go to my Google Calendar all the time. I want this calendar to go to my iCal account. Google makes it real easy for you to add and subscribe to other people's calendars. So I want to subscribe to this calendar, and I want all of this information to go to my iCal account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Freshman English. I'm going to go under the calendar settings. Now, the calendar address, this XML, iCal, HTML, that refers to the types of calendars that you personally use. Because I'm using a Mac, I'm going to click on this iCal. What's going to happen is this code comes up. I want to copy all of that code. And I'm going to go to my own iCal account, and I'm going to go up to Calendar, and I'm going to drag down to Subscribe. And it's going to ask for that code that I just copied. And I'm going to subscribe. You get to choose which color you want it. And I'll make this one orange. I don't necessarily want to call this Freshman English. I can call it whatever I want. It's going to default to the name that the original creator called it, but I might want to call this Ms. Heller's English. And it's going to be located on my Mac. Click OK. The auto refresh icon allows you to auto refresh whenever you want to. You can choose it to refresh every 5 minutes, every hour, every day, and I imagine I'll have this refresh every day. And I'll click OK. Now you'll notice that my calendar is here. My subscriptions, I have Mr. Retz's calendar that I subscribe to, which is in purple. I have Ms. Heller's calendar that's in orange, and it's color differentiated that way. And I can go ahead and click on the month, and you can see I've got all of my personal information here. I've got Ms. Heller's information here. I've got Mr. Bretz's information here, and I can continue to add subscriptions to these calendars until I run out of space, until I use all of my teachers' calendars. Makes it real easy for students to track multiple teachers. That's it for adding the calendars to your own personal account. I hope you find this interesting, and give me a call if you find that you're having trouble with this information. I'll be glad to help you.